Understanding Serging, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, the word serging. Now, this might be a new term for many of you, and that's completely okay. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what serging means, how it's used, and where you might encounter this term. So, stay tuned and let's dive in. Serging is a term most commonly used in the world of sewing and textiles. It refers to a specific type of stitching that is done at the edge of a fabric. The purpose of serging is to prevent the fabric from fraying and to give the edges a clean, finished look. A serger is a sewing machine designed specifically for this type of stitching. When you serge a piece of fabric, you are using the serger machine to trim the edge of the fabric and encase the edge with thread. This creates a strong, durable edge that is less likely to unravel over time. Now that we know what serging means, let's look at how it might be used in a sentence. Here are a few examples. 1. I need to serge the edges of this fabric before I start sewing the pieces together. 2. My grandmother taught me how to use a serger, and now serging is one of my favorite steps in the sewing process. 3. Make sure you have a good quality serger if you plan on serging your own clothes. In these sentences, serging is used to describe the action of finishing the edges of a fabric using a serger machine. Serging is a term that you will most commonly encounter in the context of sewing and fashion design. If you are interested in learning how to sew, taking a sewing class, or even just watching sewing tutorials online, you are likely to hear this term used quite frequently. Additionally, if you are shopping for clothes and you see a description that mentions serged seams, this is referring to the type of stitching used to finish the edges of the fabric in that particular garment. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to understanding the term serging. We hope that this video has helped clarify what serging is, how it's used, and where you might come across this term in the future. Whether you're diving into the world of sewing or just looking to expand your English vocabulary, knowing terms like serging can be incredibly helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, happy learning!